Greetings everyone, my name is Matt Casey. Today I'm here to talk about an exciting opportunity and an innovative plan to surge Plymouth County School District into the 21st century. I will be going over where our school district stands as of today from a technological standpoint and the students' ability to use various technologies in the classroom. I will move on to where we believe the district can and should be headed with regard to technologies available to our students. I will then go over the goals we have set and the timelines to reach those goals as well. Before I get into the details, it is important to point out that our technology plan is predicated and built upon the ISTE standards. Under the ISTE, there are the premises that technology has many benefits in the classroom. Included are the ability to transform teaching and learning, accelerate innovation, and solve problems. Looking at where our standard classroom stands today, you will typically see a room with 5 desktop computers, an interactive whiteboard, a document camera, and an LCD projector. This is not to say or presume that we are lagging behind or not doing well in the classrooms as of now, but more so that we believe that we can provide a better learning environment for our students. So what is our vision? We are striving to increase the technological literacy of our students, close the digital divide, and prepare our students with technological skills that will benefit them in the long run. So what we have come up with, after viewing it successfully at numerous other districts, is the goal to transform our schools into a 1-to-1 device-to-student ratio. The device that we have chosen to implement and procure based upon usability, price comparisons, and overall reviews is the Amazon Fire device with a 10-inch screen. This will serve as a student's personal tablet that each will be able to use both for daily classwork as well as for standardized testing purposes. The plan for our technological transformation has many facets, most notably including a dramatic infrastructure enhancement, increased connectedness of our schools, as well as developing 21st century skills in our students. The big picture goals and timelines we have set include funding for resources and materials, infrastructure and network enhancements, training for students and staff, and of course the actual device procurement. The details of our plan are described more so in detail within the plan itself, and we wholeheartedly believe that this is a viable and can't miss opportunity to surge our district forward, prepare our students to reach their maximum potential, and give them the tools and skills to be successful in an increasingly technological and connected world. We hope you will consider this opportunity. Thank you.